That's what she said. Man, Amy the lumberjack. Look what she's provided for our camp. She's doing her part. She's not getting voted off the island today. Yes!
Look at this.
Look at our, this is all hand collected and cut firewood. Screw paying that camp store $5 a bundle. Yeah. Nice.
Now I can take off this scarf. Getting hot.
Yeah.
Getting
Working
hot
up a
now,
sweat.
boy.
Boy.